What's going on, guys? Marcus R here, and we're going to talk about the app, this little green fella right here called Cash App, because Cash App just released their new feature today or yesterday with you being able to pretty much deposit um, your stimulus check, right, into Cash App, because Cash App has their own routing and bank account number for you to do that now. So we're gonna take a look into that today. So if we just click on Cash App, I'm gonna open the app up here. If you don't have this already, I know some of you guys already got this. If not, just go. All you got to do is go to the App Store and just type in Cash App. It's free to download. It's really a popular app for this. It's really popular to send money between your friends and family. Really, that's the gist of it. So as you can see here, Cash App. This is the official one right here, and it got 325,000 reviews on it, and it's almost got a whole 5 stars. So like I said, a lot of people know about Cash App, and a lot of people use it. So I'm not going to update it right now, so I'm going to just go back to Cash App and show you guys. So this, when you open Cash App, so pretty much you're looking at this part here to either request the payment or make a payment to someone that you owe money to, right? Essentially. So, and then if you click on the little house looking thing at the bottom left hand corner, it'll show you your cash balance, which you got available in Cash App. Already got my bank account and debit card linked to my Cash App, and as you guys can see here, you either add your bank or your credit card. So just click on Add Bank and set up your bank account, and then you'll have access to Cash App where you're able to pay people, and Cash App could just pull that money from your bank account and pay the person, right? It's real simple, easy to do. And then they do have their own debit card as well if you want to get their debit card. I haven't got their cash card because I haven't really used it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and just order one now because I have time to do it. Then we're back on this page, and then we go over, got the investing. So you can invest in stocks, or you can't even invest in Bitcoin, right? So this is the Bitcoin. I have $3.71 worth of Bitcoin. This is current Bitcoin price right now at $7,054.53, right? And Bitcoin is actually up 0.42% today, which isn't that bad. And then as we go all the way to the right at the clock looking thing on the bottom right hand corner, first thing you're going to see, the activity, the people that you sent money to, or the money that people sent to you. And then the first thing you see here, the government has started accepting direct deposit information to speed up your stimulus payment. See if you're eligible to submit your Cash App routing and account numbers. And all you got to do is just hit get started, which is pretty simple to do. And then it's going to say submit your direct deposit info to the IRS. Just read over this, and then you can either dismiss it or just hit continue so you can move forward. So hit continue, and it's going to give you some basic information. Did you file a tax return for 2018 or 2019? In my situation, I did. And I'm not going to do it because I already got my bank information already through the IRS portal. So I already did this. I just want to make an educational video for you guys that haven't done it yet, and you using Cash App, and you want to use your Cash App bank routing and account number so you can get your direct deposit for your stimulus check, right? So for me, I could just hit yes or no if you haven't filed, and then pretty much it's gonna send you to the IRS website so you can pretty much give the IRS through the portal your routing number and account number, and it got it at the bottom there, which is real simple to do. Just hit visit IRS. I'm gonna open Safari because I already use Safari, and then it's gonna give you it's gonna take you to the official IRS website, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed and things like that. And then next thing you're gonna want to do is hit get my payment, and then read over this, hit OK, and then just fill out your information there. Then once you're done filling out your information here, hit continue, and then the IRS is gonna ask you for your routing and bank account number, and in that section you're gonna put the Cash App information, and then once you go through the process, which is simple to do, you're pretty much finished with it. and then all you just gotta do is just sit back and wait for the money to hit into your Cash App account. And like I said, it's gonna show up on the left bottom corner here, and it's gonna say available. So you get your see how much money you have. You either add cash. If I want to add cash to my Cash App, I can because it's linked up to my bank account. Or if I want to cash out, I can definitely cash out, but I don't have money to cash out, so it's not letting me do anything. So that's the gist of Cash App. Cash App is definitely something that I recommend to use because, like I said, it's really simple to use, really simple to set up. It got a nice interface. It's a reputable brand by the owner of Twitter and things like that. So if you guys find this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Definitely got more videos coming, and I'm gonna do a next video on what's the top 5 pretty much apps like Cash App, Venmo, and some other apps that you don't know about where you can actually use those apps that have bank information where you could just do a direct deposit, right? Instead of going through your bank. So with that said, Marcus Zorn out.